Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Beanie Stacy Core Moments I Think About A Lot. So super late na ako dito, so hindi ko na ito patatagalan. Let's start! Teacher Stacy. Girly, of course.
Doon ko nakita si Stacy doon. Doon ko nakita si Stacy na pink lahat ng suot. Naka-shorts na pink, damit na pink, nakatakong na pink. Sasayaw kami ha. Napansin ko siya nga na bakit nga siya naka-heels sa audition. Medyo weird talaga.
Josie. Super kikay and I love it.
Ang may pinakamaraming gamit at damit na color, pink.
Of course, it's Stacy.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Right. Stacy ko ba yan?
Yes.
Oh my God, di ka...
Ito. Yung na-recognize agad si Stako kasi pink yung bag.
Stacy with her pink bag, how hostess. Stacy's airport drip, and she's still all pink with her bag yellow. I'll love you, princess.
Alam na agad eh. Na si Stako yun. Basta with something pink.
I'm wearing pink and pink heels. Wait, bakit ako up? And then I saw myself in the mirror. Oh, why am I looking like this? I'm so cute.
Slay!
Oh, may sayo, babe.
Bumay sa'yo.
Pia! Uminom, mag-break!
No makeup for full on glam. This or that. 3, 2, 1, go! Titigyan pa namin ng chance pa. 3, 2, 1. Ayaw lumipat, ha?
Sorry.
So, ikaw lang ang bukod daging na full on makeup. Bakit?
Wala. Ganda niya sa stage po kasi yung mga glitters sa mata, yung smoky eyeshadow. I love
Wow! Ganda ni Stako!
makeup.
Super ganda. Literal na ano. Princess.
So mga nagsabi noon na kikay ako, wala akong mararating sa buhay. Well, look at me now.
Look at her now.
Tigil na guys, huwag kayong matakot maging kikay. Huwag kayong matakot mahalin ng color pink. Huwag kayong
Slay.
matakot maging katulad ko na very girly, di ba? Ang saya-saya kayo maging girly. Super!
Oh. Beanie being allergic to mics.
What's that? What's that, brother?
Meanwhile,
Time. You'll be fine. Fine.
See,
You should always be fine in what you're doing. You should never doubt yourself. You should never be insecure about what you're doing. Don't ever break your dreams. Always face your star.
Always believe in what you're doing. Never stop believing in yourself. This is from SBD Nights.
Slay.
Oh, welcome! What? A movie! You're reading me!
Beanie Eviction Night by Stako. Oh!
But of course, how is it guys? 29 years of ASAP, part na kayo ng legacy ng ASAP. You are legends.
Oh!
Grabe, sobrang tuwang-tuwa ko be part of the 29th anniversary here in ASAP Studio. Kasi naalala ko talaga
At ayun.
nung unang beses na nag-perform kami 1995, sobrang nakakasaya.
Wait a minute.
Nakakasaya, joke lang po. Ayun lang.
First question is, bakit hindi mo na dapat tayo umuwi?
Oh.
Hindi muna dapat tayo umuwi sa bansang ito kasi dito tayo tumayo, dito tayo nanggaling, dito tayo magsisimula, at dito pa rin tayo, oh, Pilipinas! We say that the Coconut North is not an office, mamuting kita ang mundo, kung saan maraming tao namumuno dito sa mundong ito. Sa lugar natin mga tumasyan, mga tigers, marami tayong kailangang pagbigan. Hindi lang basta sa mga palisahan, para sa mga estudyante, para sa mga tao, para sa kalikasan. Maraming salamat.
Competitive. Ang lahat naman sila, pero mas competitive si Stako at si Maloid, Mika. You're actually Aya. No.
Emotions! Oh my God!
Calm down. Eh! Akala mo na nasa loto. Yes. Of course. Alam niya yan. Doktor ko. Oh my gosh. Na-spoiled na ako. Na-spoil.
My favorite dito ng sabaw ng balot. Ay, ako, not really. Pero
Yung reaction ko lang.
Quack. But it's so yummy. It has a soup. When you crack the when you crack, galit na galit yung crack the balot, and then when you open the shell and then you drink, it's so yummy. He kept saying na it's the duck's urine, but it's not.
What? Bro, I'm out, man.
If you come here in the Philippines, you should ask the people, where can I buy Dr.
Dr.
Quack?
Pag bumalada sa kantuhan dito sa amin, meron po kayong Dr. Quack.
Na may mahal ka ng iba? Aminin mo! Stop the car, kuya! I said stop the car! Stop the car! Para mag-shoot kami ng cycle sa Asap. Mga dadali. Ang daming nangyayari, ha? Manahit kayo lahat! May nagpaano. Oh my God! What is that?
A Philippine
Oh my God! Come to Philippines! I will tour you! I will be your tour guide! Yeah. Come here. You know
Yan
what?
lang.
Here in the Philippines, we believe that if it's raining and if it's sunny day, there's an encanto na nagpapakasal, getting married. No, Capre, a human tree. They are getting married. So you
Human
should
tree.
really come here in the Philippines so you can witness the...
Saan kayo ng diamond? Sisigaw si Stacy dito.
Ay, oo! Ayun! Kaya kong gawin yun! Kaya kong gawin yun! Oh my God!
Palaban.
Okay, ito na! Oh my God! Para sa inyo to! Okay, para sa inyo to, Bini! Go! Okay. Stan! Bini!
Slay! Random stuff ako.
Sabs talaga nakahamak.
Na-iconic.
An animal, I would like to be a quokka kasi they're the happiest animal on earth.
Kuwaka. Tapos ayun yung binisita ni Lisa dati nung nagtutour sila.
Oh my God! What is happening in this world? Ako may jowa kami doon! Eto, baby, kumakain ako!
Eh. What? Wow! What? Slay!
Totoo ba yung multo sa PBB mo? Sa camp?
Oh, this one. Ba't ngayon ko pa siya napanood? Kinikilabutan ako.
Kasi, ito. Kasi ganito yung nangyari. Isang babae na nakatira sa Camp Starhan, nag-video ng biglang may sumingit na kamukha, di umano. Hindi ako magkwento ng gano'n. So, ganito na nga yung nangyari. Kilala niyo ako. Mahilig talaga ako sa mga video-video. Isang video na paganda. Natakot ako sa skip. Ayoko na. Natakot ako sa music.
Yung siya yung naglagay ng background music, pero siya natakot.
Like a shadow. When I was taking a video, I was just feeling myself. I was taking a selfie video, and then suddenly, a doppelganger of Joanna. Yeah. There's a video. Yeah. But I was just alone in the room. I turned around, no one's there.
Do you have a theory on what's the house?
It's history. There's really something inside that house.
Ayun, sinasabi nila, ako daw yung nakita nila. And hindi ako naniniwala. Nasa baba kasi kami nila Ate Colette, nagkukwentuhan kami sa baba. Tumakbo sila sa baba, tumakbo sila sa amin. Kita nga nila yung video, tapos sabi nila, Coach Reden, pinaprank din ng kami, hindi kami naniniwala. Ako daw kasi yung nasa video. Sabi ko, paano mangyayari yun? Kasama ko nga si Ate Colette. Ayaw nilang maniwala talaga. So, chinek nila yung CCTV. Kala ko yung Islamic Coach Reden if nang paprank ba. Sista ako lang po yung tao sa closet namin. Nasa baba ako. Nakita nila sa CCTV yun. Pero naman kasi talaga sa camp, grabe yung tayo na balahibo ko, Lord.
Kahit ako, Jo.
Bakit ganon? Bakit tsaka sila umalis nung mag-isa na ako dito nagla-live? Ling! Ling, bakit marami nagpagulat?
OMG. Oh, tapos na. Thank you for this edit again. So, thank you so much again, Commotion, for this video. Grabe, 7/8 na din yung nare-react ko. Si Gwen na lang yung kulang. And grabe tong video ni Stako. Like, sobrang iconic ng mga nandito sa compilation. And sobrang chaotic, sobrang funny ni Stako. And at the same time, super ganda ni Stako. Our princess, Beanie's princess, ayan, Bloom's princess, ayan. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!